what I have explained. Now we will teach you like we have groups, okay, in Excel, how to use in real life function of the impact. Okay. So what we are learning here? We are learning how to use group function in real life, right? Or in real project. I can mention a real project, right? So I know a lot of things you know, but still I won't explain. Okay, this is like is a part of the course that's I'm teaching. Now, so this is we have a like a column names, okay, and we have to mention here the employee 101, okay, and here I can use like a series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a series, okay, you can do this like a series, okay. 8 employees we have now, and please tell him the name, all the employees name. First I will make your name, okay. Here I can do this. Your name is Sarah. Another name, Vishal. Another name, Jay, okay. Anjali, okay. Anjali. Kumar, okay. Another one. Sorry, Shalvi, okay. Shalvi. Raj, okay. Raj. Okay. And I want the age. What is the age? Sarah age. Sorry, 28. 28. Vishal, 29. Okay. 20, 25. 24. 30. Salvi, 40. Okay. 15. This employee. uh, 18. Okay. Will work. Okay. And now is a female, right? Is a male. Is a Jay is also male. Anjali is a female. Kumar is a male. Female. Male. Shalvi is a female. Am I right? Okay, male. And Raj is also male. And this is also male. So we have a gender. Now cities. What city you want? Bangalore. Bangalore. Chennai. Okay. And Delhi. All right. Anjali is also Delhi. All right. Kumar is a Bangalore. All right. Salvi Chennai. Raj is Bangalore. Okay. Dinesh is Chennai. Let's see. And now, what is salary? Salary, please help me for salary. 50,000, 80,000, 10,000 is very less, right? At least make more than make a more than 50, whatever. 55,000, 52,000, 70,000, 75,000, 68,000, up to 9,000, right? On the DOB, we can make it DOB. It's like or we can remove DOB. Let's see, we can, right? It's a fine. Okay. Now, so we have this clipboard, right? We have a and we have to use clipboard means this is a board and we have to use. How can we use this? So there is a copy paste. I already explained here. Okay. So suppose, okay, I have a this guy or I have this one, okay, and I want to copy and make here in a paste, okay, how can? So it is a formal things or like a shortcut we can control and see, right? But I don't want to control C. What I'm going to do, I want to click here, okay, this is the like it's the arrow symbol. We click here, okay, and then we can click here and then is a paste. What is the mean? It is a paste in a lot of things. You can value paste whatever, but you can directly paste it. So we got this. This is the uses. Okay. Now one thing. Okay, so you understood this, right? Secondly, suppose I have this is in a okay. I want this is in highlighted or in a bold. Okay, so I can click here, okay, and then I want bold this as well. So how can we do this one? Here we can simply click here, then we can go in the format. What is the here? It is, you can say, format painter. We have to use the format painter. Okay. Here I can also write. Okay, you can understand. Is a pro. Okay, and what is a group name? Is a clipboard. Okay, clipboard. And we are understanding that page. Okay, am I right? Paste and then is a format painter, right? Painter. Am I right? Format painter. So like this is the format painter. How can we use? You can do this, okay? And because here instead of like okay, I will again tell you. So now you can see I have already deleted. Okay, so this is a cupboard and a cut. Okay, I write again paste. Okay, I tell you how can we get a back. Okay, and the format I tell you again. Now, what I want to tell you. So I want the Sarah, okay, and all these things. So what I will do here like this, okay, then again like this food. So a seat of two because it is a take time taking, right? What I'm going to do here is click in a format painter and then I have a click here like this. Okay, so it's means we already got we use the for what is the like I tell you one another example. Suppose here is the font is 11, okay, and now I make this font is like a 8. All right, you can see, so this size is a big, this size is a like a is a small, right? So what we will do, we can use the format painter to make equal, otherwise uh, we we don't it is not like a in a good shape, okay, and we like us the manager understands this, you don't know how to manage it, how to collect it, right? The is a data, right? So what we will do here, we can go in the format painter and we have to click here, so we got whatever like a you want any I mean this is the themes, okay, what is what you want like a Calvary, okay, language, okay, anyone you want the styles, okay, any styles you want, okay, like Arial, rounded, anti-grade. This is the style. You can say Arial language, okay, like this. I can make here, like show you like this, right? So I want to make okay in this format, okay, or same, but here is a different, okay. So it is difficult for me to write, okay, I can delete here this, right, and then again write this, okay. Then I will, so what I will do here, you can click here and then you can, yeah, am I right? So you understood that now. This is the font, okay. I have given you some font. How can make change the font, okay, size, style, okay, whatever, right? So here, okay, I will what I'm going to do here. I'm holding this, okay. Is a control V. You can use here, okay. I teach you later what are the shortcut keys. So first, my concern is to make a alignment, right? It is very important if you want to present your data with your senior stakeholder. So definitely you want the proper alignment, right? So what will you do? You can make all this alignment. You can do this. It means now the data is properly formatted. Am I right? So now if you want here in the font, okay, you know the what a font here, you know, like we can bold this or unbold this here. We can use this. This is like a italicize your text, okay, or you can say italic. So italic is a control plus I. Like you can make a change if you want highlight it or you want like a underlines. Okay, you want present here, so you can say it's an underline. Okay, double underline. Both we have available here, right? So some people's mention for to highlight, okay, to use the or we can move here, right? Whatever you want. So mostly we use the single underline. Let's see. Okay. Now, what is the mean here? This is a borders. Okay, what borders you want choose? Okay, you can use. Right? Am I right? Now, that is this. I know everyone. Mostly people they use this. Okay, but other things no. Now here I want to make a proper table. So what I'm going to do? Okay, I have to bold this and then I have to. What is the? I have to color the fill. Right? Am I right? And now, so what I want is a black color, okay, to show, okay, my data, or I want other, like in a green, whatever, or like a blue, whatever you want. So here you can use this. So I make it as a green here, okay, or I want the same as a black, whatever it is. Right. So now we got this, okay, and now this alignment. What is the alignment? We know. Okay. One more thing. I now this is the employee. What does it mean? This is the employee table, right? So if I want employee, employees table, okay, and the company, whatever company, A, B, C. Okay, I need this. But what a problem here, these be like a boxes. These are boxes name as I told you, right? Or these are so these are we have one cell. I want only one cell. So you know how to make it. So this is the one is in alignment. We can merge in center. So we have already covered this. Okay, and now if you make a border, you can get the proper table. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, fine. So you get a proper table, and this what does it mean? Because wrap text, extra long text into multiple lines. If I use it, let's see what is the answer here. Okay, so it means okay. This means already like this is a wrap extra long text into multiple lines. If you want extra long text into multiple lines, this is not a usefully okay mostly, but I tell you. And if you want here this one like what style okay, or angle you want to change, you can like I want this one like this or this or like here is I want to like this. So whatever you want because totally depends of the size because the size is a big. So that's why we like here I can give an example more. So like this, okay. So totally what is your size of the box, okay, and cell you have to do this, right? Now what is the number? This is a very important okay numbers, okay. So number means here, okay. I click here, okay, right, okay, and the night means okay. Like there's a format cells, okay, there's a format cells, there's a centers, a number. Okay, you want to change the date, can see whatever this. I want change in a date. So you can say we got in a date, okay, same what we want here. So you can how can you correct it because here is a format. So this is a very important to understand to format the data. We have to correct the data here. So how can we make it as a number? We got a decimal number. And I don't want a decimal number. I want a journal thing. So you can make this, right? So here what you want to change here, okay? So we will get how can change the currency, a lot of things, time, percentage, okay, whatever you want, you can make from it. What is the dollar? We can use this, okay, is the accounting number. Like here, I have given this is the amount, okay, and I want in INR or I want in dollars, so I can make it in a dollar. I want it in INR, okay, whatever, like there are more accounting formats as well. You can click here. So whatever you will get, this is more accounting format. You can check the symbols here, right? So we get all country symbol which you can. I don't know where you working, what is the symbol of your country, okay, where you are working, uh, what is the name of your country, where you are and your line. So you can show we get the Europe sign, right? So this is the value in a Europe, okay? And now it means we are talking in Europe currency, right? So we can do this here. Okay. Now, this is the percentage. Okay, what is the main percentage? The percentage you know. Okay, so this is whatever you want the percentage in style. You can make this. Okay, this is the comma. Okay, comma style. Okay, if you want a thousand separator, you can use this. Okay, like here I can make it like this. Okay, so here you can then you can see so automatically it change or like here is a currency any currency so you can use. Uh, like this, you want like this, you want like this, am I right? So in this case, what is already you can see, okay, it's happened. Am I right? Wait a minute, I'm just changing my network again. Okay, wait a minute. So my screen is visible. Yeah. Okay, so you can use y is already because we have already used it. That's why you can see we can't use here, right? Now you can see we can use this. Okay. Got it? And now, what about these like increase decimal, okay, and decrease the decimal? Whatever decimal I tell you, decimal like this is a decimal, whatever this. Okay, so this is the point, and you have to increase or decrease. You can use this, right? Am I right? Okay. What is a conditional format? This is a major thing. So conditional format. Okay, I want the conditional format. Okay, so there's a salary part. Okay, there's some salaries. Okay, so like I said, I want more than 70,000 salary highlighted here. How can we make it? You can click here. You can go. And we can, what is the mean? It's a highlight cells. Tools, top, bottom rules, data far, color, icon, whatever. We have to highlight here greater than 70,000 salary. Let's see what we need here. 70,000. Am I right? 70. So you can say what is the 70 more than 70? So I make more than 70, not equal and more than 70. Right? Now I want to change here like a 90,000. It is 90,000. Let's see. It's automatically highlighted. It means the Vishal and Salvi Dinesh are higher salary increase. Am I right? So there are conditions. How can we make the condition? I have given you one idea. Like is a like a here is a top less than between. You want a between like a, what is a between? Between is okay. Right. Yeah, 60 already get here 60 to 85. Okay. 60 to 85. Let's see. So we got the between this, right? And I want to show you other things like a highlighted is equal text container edit like a edit appearing how many times occurring duplicate values you want to check. You don't we have any duplicate value? No, we don't have a duplicate okay, but I can show here duplicate. Now this is the what is the mean top 10 items. Okay, what you want top 10 like a percentage items bottom like a bottom item whatever. Now date var whatever you can choose the date var like you can see we don't have a date of joining. Okay, I should have created date of joining but we didn't, so you can see whatever you will get like this. Okay, want to show like this you can see right what is the changing here. Okay, and now here what is the icon sets here if you want to like make an icon okay as per your requirement you can do this. Okay, so had you idea about these things? You had idea, right? Okay, now that's great. No problem. So we have understood this. Okay, it is like a condition. Now, what is a format? Okay, this is a format table. Okay, we can say it's a like a tablet of the data as well. What we call here is a like a tabulate. You can say tabulation of data. What is a tabulation of data? So we have inserted here. You can see in this column. Okay, inserted and this is a table. Okay, so now the same here. The insert. Okay, the insert whatever cells. Okay, so they have directly mentioned as a this. Okay, so like I want to change. Okay, I want to make in a uh, tabulation of data. How can make the tabulation of data? Like what do you want here? Something else? You can say. So this is a tabulation of the data. What you can do here? You can also filter what you want. You want is like a 103, 104 in place. You can filter, right? And you want all, you can all as well, right? And you want here like a sort to Z to A. Do you know about sort Z to A? Any idea? Yes, sorting the number. Like it's already changed. Okay, it is like a Z to A. It is sorting Z to A, not A to Z, right? So it means whatever. If we want here like a sort, so you can see here why A to Z or Z to A showing because here we have now A to Z. So if you can A to Z here and now if I want through the number I can't it, okay, because again I have done through the verticals like a with the character size. Okay, now I can change this. Okay, here now. Okay, another things I tell you. Okay, and if you want, okay, what we have a like we are using default as I told you default page. Okay, you want a new sheet view, we can create new sheet view as view like this. Okay, so this is all new sheet. Okay, got it. So new sheet means here this is a highlighted. This is the new sheet. Or you can say accessibility investigate. What is the accessibility investigate? Accessibility recommendation found check here to investigate. Whatever we have done, we are doing. Okay, this is investigation. Now, I have okay. What if you want like a filter by color? Okay, you can also by like a filter by gender. Whatever you want, you can make it right now. And okay, let's see. We are going here same thing. What about the cell style? Okay, what cell style we want here? We can do this. It's a better to show this. This is the cell styles. Okay. So in the cell style, this is the style. Again, I tell you what is the mean. This is a group of the style. Okay. So we have to change what we want style. Okay. So what is the cell style? Let's see. I want a cell style. Or make. Let's see. Cell. What cell style you want? Like here, you want this, or you want like this, whatever. Okay, you want, you will get a cell style or like this common, right? So like this. So what you want? Okay, or heading styles. Okay, heading three styles. Okay, whatever. So time. Okay, it's a titles or headings are available here like this. Okay. So instead of to like make more time to change your style, you can do this. Okay, you want a good one, it is good one. Some natural, it's a natural one. Whatever you want. Okay, so there is a conditions. Okay, and new styles also available, masters also available. So you can try yourself. Let's see. Okay, so here is the mention. Whatever you want is like a font size. Okay, you can make it a format accordingly, right? I don't want to be just I'm giving you short brief. Okay, you can get some understanding because this is not my concern to explain it. Okay, but still I want this. Okay, explain now. So here we got okay insert cells, insert sheets. So insert okay, what does it mean? You can understand it. Here already mentioned insert cell row and columns into the sheet or table. So, like new row will be added. Okay, new row if we if we have any sheet, okay, in desktop, okay, we can directly insert it from here. Okay, like so, you know, I tell you, wait here one thing. I tell you, I don't know because in new, okay, new one, okay, I think you are using that one. So they have a this facility. I don't know in my one has or no. Okay, I want to check, but here we can. So what is the like here? Insert cell right. You want to sell the at the right side. Okay, like I can click here. I tell you here, and I want insert cell. Okay, what side? Right side. We can let's see. We get okay. So right side means this already moved the right side and left. If I want to do anything like a DOB, okay, am I right? Do and make this right? Okay. Don't want to this right side and left side. You want the left side, okay, or right side, and this is the left side or shift cell down. Okay, there's no option left side, but it's only the right side option. And entire row, you want to change entire row, shift cell down. Let's see what is shift cell down. Shift cell down. Let's see idea. And here, okay, now okay, I'm going to tell this. I'm done entire column entire. So whatever you want, you will get. Okay, but here is a one option, one more option. Okay, we get here. So you right click. Inserting, you can see insert, okay, and we click here. So left side, right side, left side I'm not getting you, I don't know, okay, but here is a one or more option, the left side as well, okay, so I'm not getting that, okay, or like maybe okay, click insert. Okay, I'm not getting the left side. Left side should be come here. Okay. I don't know why is it coming here, left side. So whatever you can make plan accordingly. Okay, you can write it now. You want to delete, okay, any cell, any row, okay, any column, you can directly delete from here, or you can directly select here, and there's a like a delete option. You can right click and delete as well. Okay, you can do this as well, and directly there's a button in your system. Okay, you can use that. So whatever. And the format already I explained it. Okay. Now again, okay, this is the format. Okay. And this is a format as table. Table means, as I told you, like a tabulation of the data. We call it tabulation of the data. Okay. So you want like a auto fit, okay, column white, you want right high, row highlighted, what you want, you think you will get. So we are using this one. Okay. So if you want to change your cell, you can. Okay, fine. Got it. My point here. You are fine with this. Okay. So this is the editing. Okay. So editing means okay. Here you can see. I will tell you, if we have a like this, okay, I want here count. Okay, with the count numbers. Let's see what the count number. We have 8. Okay, we can count. We want like a sum of the total. We got a total sum. What is the total salary of all employees? We are giving this. Okay, so you are paying this salary to. What is the max salary? Let's see the max salary. Okay, 8 max salary. Okay, 9. Okay, and if you want as a max salary, what is the max salary? Let's see. So max salary is we have 80. Okay, and I can again remove this. Otherwise, data showing the different is a minimum salary. What will get a minimum? Okay, and the more functions are also available. We can use like if or what. So I will use this in a practically. I don't want to use this, but still I tell you. So we will write like a logical, like a function. How can write it? Okay, I will tell you. Okay. Now, what is the mean of this? Is a fill continue as a series or a pattern. So whatever series like this, I make this series, right? You can use this as well, or you can like a scroll down as well, right? You can do this. And what is the mean here is a clear. You want to delete everything in this cell. You can do like a I want this one, okay, and selecting this, okay, right? I want to delete, okay, so clear all. what we have given, right? And here is a sort filter, A to Z and Z to, we have already done this, right? So I don't want to explain it. And what is the find and select? The find and select means the click to the to see option for finding text in your document. Okay, what does it mean? So if you find here, what we will do, we can F use, and whatever I want here is a Bangalore, or I want a Sarah. Which Sarah is in my sheet. Sarah is working and not definitely get. It's mean this find and select. Let's see how can we do this here. So it's the same here, find, and we get the same thing, right? And we can also find all. So we got this, right? Am I right? So here, how can you use in this? Okay, like there is a formula you go to, and replace, you want to replace the name. Okay, what name? This is a Dinesh. I want to change the Dinesh name. Dinesh. Okay. Salary we can also change, but I want Dinesh. Want Ramesh. Okay, right? Similar name, the similar name, right? So I want here the replace of only one or replace all. Like we have a thousands of the name of Dinesh, right? I want to change. I'm just giving example. Generally, we don't change the name. We change. Yeah, error. Suppose there is a Dinesh spelling is incorrect. I want to correct, right? Or the salary or anything else we want to. So replace all other lines, find the next or replace only one, right? So I want to replace all. Let's see. The remains, all it remains, okay, and then let's see. So got it right, and then we have it, right. So we have already successfully changed. Okay, now the add icon. Add icon means find ads and okay, add is that add new functionality to Office. Okay, like that. So it is mostly we don't use this. Okay, I didn't in my like 8 9 years careers. Okay, I didn't use this. Okay, but this is to add the ins. Okay, so what is the ins? You know this. Okay, so it's a add ins, that the add new functionality to Office. If you want any new, you want to create new functionality like this. I tell you a good example. I want a sorry, I want like this. Uh, 2 multiply A plus B minus C, okay, like this. And I have the, okay, because we don't have a value yet, that's what we are. So suppose A is equal to B is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 7, okay, whatever we have the, I know, we can say values, and how can we make it. So this is like this. I have a given this example. Actual this we don't use, okay, but this we can use like this also. Now this is a very important one. Okay, I tell you. Okay, the insert. Okay, the table, and I want here this table. Okay, I want this table, and in a pivot table. Do you have any idea about pivot table? So you have an idea, right? So idea means you use table, right? Pivot table. So you have a good idea, right? Okay. So should I explain or not? Okay, I will explain. Okay. So here, like two things I tell you. We have to click here. So from table range, whatever we have given the range is name. From external data source, what data, okay. Or directly you can click here. You can get it's a table range already. Get a table range because we have selected. I want a new worksheet. For existing worksheet, we will get in same. In the same sheet we will get. So we want a new one, right? So here we get this. Okay, now I tell you what is the meaning of the filter. Okay, this is a column, is a row, and values, right? So filter means what we want to filter here. In the columns, what we have columns in the table, right? Let's see. Sorry. Here, what is the table? Okay. Sorry. So what is the columns here? You can see the columns 1 2 3. What is the employee ID columns here, right? And is a rows. What is the rows here? We have a rows like 101, 102. It's a whole row, right? It's like employee ID to salary. It is the one row, am I right? And here is a value. What we want the value like. So we want a column. What columns we want? We want is like a name. Oh no, not a name. Let's see. Employee ID. Employee ID. Okay. We want the rows. Okay. Now we okay, and I want uh okay, name already got, or mm, gender, or like a salary. I want salary. Right. So now, okay, we have a this, okay, and now we have a columns. Okay, now I want a column here. So how can we column? Because this is the Anjali of the salary. Okay, we don't have a name, right? We can use the name, right? Because the name as well we want a column. But my concern is not showing this. Right? So this is the we are getting here. Okay, the column and whatever. But I don't want to do this use. Okay, why? Because I want to make here like a only row. What is a row? And salary. Right. So now, what is the mean here? I already explained how to, like, you make this. Okay. So what is the mean here? The salary, okay, and this is a grand total. So I don't, it is already sum, and I want the value, change the value. How can we, like here we can click on value field, okay, and I want the average salary. Let's see. So average salary, what is average salary? This is average salary. Am I right? Average salary, and I want here